to make hair shiny and silky with shikakai and honey hair rinse. Heat the water in a pot until it comes to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of shikakai powder and 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the boiling water. Now, let the mixture steep for about 15 to 20 minutes with a lid on the pot. Strain the mixture and add 2 tablespoons of honey to it. Let it cool. Next, shampoo your hair as you normally would and then pour the shikakai solution through your hair. Then, massage it into your scalp and hair for about 5 minutes and then rinse it out with some cool water. Alternatively, you can replace your normal shampoo with this rinse. For best results, use this hair rinse once a week. With this hair rinse, you will be able to add instant shine to your hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.